Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful strap. It looks complicated, but actually it's really easy. Alright, let's get started. To make the strap, make a slip knot. Make sure to leave a long tail for stitching. Insert the hook. 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start on the second chain from hook. 1, 2, this one. Insert, pull up a loop. Insert into the next chain. Pull up a loop. Insert into the last chain. Pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the first loop. Then yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops. 1 chain. In the center space here, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, insert into the center space again, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop. You see the 2 loops on the side here? Insert into both of them. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we're back with 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops. 1 chain. In the center space, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop. The 2 loops on the side, insert into both of them, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops. 1 chain. Again, insert into the center space. 1, 2, and lastly, insert into the 2 loops on the side. And now we're back with 4 loops. And repeat this from the beginning.